So massage guns are pretty popular items these days, and a lot of people are using these things on themselves to help get rid of muscle tension and decrease some aches and pains and get rid of some soreness, and use them as a great therapeutic tool. Now, if you're someone who enjoys using one of these on yourselves, but you want to get a little bit more pain relief and a little bit more muscle relaxation out of using this thing, then stick around and watch this video, because today I'm giving you a 2-minute tip on how you can get a little bit more out of using your massage gun. And if nothing else, you're going to smell a little bit better. Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for checking out this video. Now today, before we get into our 2-minute tip, I just want to quickly introduce myself if you haven't met me before. My name's Jim. I'm a physical therapist. I love what I do for a career, helping other people get out of pain and live more rewarding lives. And I love sharing my knowledge and expertise with anyone I can to help benefit their own lives. And that's what this channel is all about, so if that interests you in any way, shape, or form, please consider smashing that like and subscribe button. Help me grow the channel. You can learn a lot of cool things and help me get some information out there to other people who might be in need of it. All right, 2-minute tip. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna put a little timer up at the top, and in 2 minutes, we're gonna rip through just a fun little tip, down, dirty, quick little thing that you can try and see if you can get a little bit more pain relief out of your massage gun. So here we go. Now, it does not matter what type or brand of massage gun you're using for this technique. All that matters is that the actual applicator tip that you're going to be using here is one that is non-porous. You don't want to be using a tip that's going to soak up moisture or oil or dirt. And the reason for that is that because today we're going to theoretically double up on the therapeutic benefits of using a topical muscle rub over your skin while then using the massage gun on the sore area that you're going to treat. Now, if you've never used a topical muscle relaxant before, there's plenty of different types and brands out there to try. If you feel it's worth trying, if you feel it's appropriate for you, you can use Tiger Balm, you can use Rub A535 or China Gel or Voltaren. Anything like that. Now, the way that these topical muscle rubs tend to work is that they bring in extra blood flow into the area, they heat up the skin, and again, it helps everything to relax and settle down and kind of, again, take care of a little bit of pain and discomfort. And so we can use that, but then we can use the massage gun right on top. And the theory here, it's certainly not proven in science, but it's a fun little thing to try, is that we're doubling up on getting extra blood flow coming in because we're using it with the muscle rub to do that, as well as the massage gun, drive more blood flow into the area, heat up the area, and further relax the muscle tissues that we're treating than if we were just using one or the other by themselves. Now, there's no need to overcomplicate any of this here. Once you've applied a little bit of that muscle rub over the area that you intend to treat, you're going to use this massage gun the exact same way that you've already been using it. And now what you're likely to find here as you're using the massage gun over the sore area that you're treating, that same spot you've already put the muscle rub on, is that the area is going to heat up and feel warm much more quickly than if you were just using the massage gun by itself. Now, keep in mind that this is all just strictly theoretical when we're talking about getting extra blood flow and extra tissue relaxation out of using both of these adjuncts together. This is nothing that's been proven in any sort of way, at least that I'm aware of, but I know of a lot of individuals, including myself, who really just feel that there is an added benefit to using both a muscle rub and the massage gun at the same time. Now, it's also worth remembering that this is not a magic bullet. It's not something that's going to instantly take away your pain or instantly cure you, but you just might find that it gives you that little bit of extra oomph that we're after when it comes to just settling down some of these tight or sore tissues that we're trying to treat. So there you have it, a nice little 1-2 punch for getting a little bit more out of using your massage gun and hopefully getting you feeling a little bit better and a little bit more relaxed in the area that you're treating. So that's it. I hope you guys got something out of this tip. If you did, please, again, smash that like and subscribe button. Help me grow the channel and get content out there to those who could benefit from it. I hope you're all doing well, and I want to hear from you. What type of massage gun are you using, and is it one that you enjoy and recommend? If so, why? Let me know. I want to hear all about it. So everyone, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please continue to keep looking after yourselves, keep looking after one another, keep making great things happen, and I'll see you in the next video.